How to copy text from photo or translate text from the photo on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. First of all, we remove the S Pen on my S25 Ultra. Open the gallery application on your Samsung device. Select the photo you want to copy text from the photo. Now long press the text. Now you copy it like this. Here you can find the copy, translate or share option. Tap on a copy to copy text. Tap on a translate to translate text. Here you can see auto English. Here you need to select German. At the bottom you can find it German. Now select the Hindi and you can find the Hindi. So it's quite easy to copy, translate text easily from the image on your device. You can also add multiple language. Here you can see the list of available language. You need to download language, your favorite language, to easily convert your text to another language. Again, go back, long press it, tap on a copy, tap on a copy. Now copy to clipboard and you can easily paste to another photo or on your desktop. So it's quite easy to copy text from photo and translate it. That's it. If you like it, share it.